ISC 2026. I'm Andy. So this is it's over here, so TOPDA. And we got the screen is currently playing 3D outdoor. That's outdoor one. Pixel pitch is 1.56.
So what is special about this screen? How does it work?
So really easy. Just connect to whatever you need to play as well, and then you got like the processor. You just need to use the memory card and put it in, and then
put the glasses for it?
Yeah, the glasses over there as well. So as you know, we want to engage our customer to try. Yeah,
all
and
right.
also we made it on the lighting.
Oh, it says Common-cathode 1.56.
1.56, yeah, exactly.
Can we have a look at your booth?
Yeah, of course.
What is the stuff you show here?
This is the lights that we go. We go outdoor, we go indoor. Outdoor is over here, so with a different size. So you go 14, 15, 19, 20, and 27, 27. And also like indoor one as well. 4-in-1, 2-in-1s in here. And mainly we are promoting this side of the wall. So the brightness can hit 6,000 nits. And outdoor here, that's both outdoor, and this series can hit 12,000 nits. Yes.
12,000 nits.
Yeah, that's like really high.
It's very high brightness.
Yeah, as like the light is quite big as well. And also like in here we do have a carbon fiber display. So red dot carbon fiber display. This is the holographic carbon fiber display, and it's super light. This is pretty much, I would say, the lightest that you can get. It's only 3.7 kg.
So you say holographic because it's transparent?
It's transparent, yeah. It's like, I think holographic and transparent, the difference between them is like actually how the module is built. So this one is super light, as you can, like even me myself, I can install that like 100, like two.
So the
20,
lightest?
Yeah, the lightest. 20
And how many
millimeters.
you can put together?
20 meters, sorry.
How many you can put together?
This, if you hang it, it can be up to 20 panels, and the safety factor is like 11. Yeah.
Nice.
And it's fast lock at the back as well. So
Fast lock.
we mainly focus on the rental company. So as like, you know, we need to save the time for the people to build up. Like when you are in stage, like everything's like really, really busy, really rushing. So you want to have like the fast lock system. So this is like super easy to log in. Yeah, and also the refreshing rate is 7,860. This is really high one as well. And we're proud to be, to making the lightest, the holographic display.
Nice. Red dot.
Red dot, yes, exactly, red dot. We focus on the carbon display.
What do we see here?
This is the lights. So basically this is the lamp that we are creating. So for this project, we use the lamp from this company, TOPDA. So we are partnership, yes.
Is this information about the company?
Yeah, that's the information about the company.
So where is the headquarters?
The headquarters is based on in Shenzhen. Shenzhen is the headquarters, yeah. So we are manufacturer. Yeah.
And this is your social media?
Social media,
and if
exactly.
I click here, oh, you have big stadiums, the Olympics?
Yeah, we got quite a lot of like study case in here. We've been doing quite a lot
Lady
of projects.
Gaga?
Yes.
I see,
like Paris Olympics, yes.
So many cool projects from your company? Many cool projects.
There's quite a lot, yes. It covers quite a lot of, the projects. Yeah. So the lighting.
It's kind of a new company.
Yeah, it was established in 2024, but see, like within a year or two, like we already developed quite fast. So.
Is it a sub-brand of another company?
No, it's not. It's an independent company.
All right. And customers, so I see Paris Olympics, I see Europe, all over the world, or?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, exactly. Yeah. That's the light that we do. We mainly focus on the lighting for TOPDA. And then for Red Dot, we mainly focus on the carbon fiber as the lightest that you can get and the fastest that you can install. Yeah.
Imagine every pixel, every sound. Enabled through HDMI technology. From the highest resolutions, the fastest refresh rates, to immersive multi-channel audio. HDMI technology powers a worldwide ecosystem of devices for movies, for gaming, for creators. Experience clarity, performance, connection. HDMI technology. Connect the future today.